The new OnePlus flagships come with cameras powered by Swedish brand Hasselblad and are powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888. OnePlus 9 starts at 49,999 rupees and the OnePlus 9 Pro starts at 64,999 rupees. OnePlus has finally introduced its first smartwatch. The new OnePlus Watch comes with all basic health tracking sensors. The company has chosen a round dial design for its first smartwatch. The new smartwatch is priced at 16,999 rupees for the standard variant. Realme has launched its latest smartphone, Realme C25, at a launch event in Indonesia. The smartphone offers a massive 6000 mAh battery with a 48 MP camera. The phone has been launched at approximately 10,500 rupees. Chinese smartphone manufacturer Xiaomi has announced on Weibo that it will be launching the Mi 11 Pro and Mi 11 Ultra on March 29th. Xiaomi had launched the Mi 11 in December. After launching smartphones with horizontal fold and vertical fold, Samsung is now planning to launch a new device with a double folding design. There's a possibility that the phone could be announced later this year. Vivo X60, Vivo X60 Pro and Vivo X60 Pro Plus India prices have been leaked just days before the official launch of the Vivo X60 series in the country on March 25th. Vivo X60 price in India will start at 39,990 rupees for the 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant. The Vivo X60 Pro and Vivo X60 Pro Plus are said to be available at 49,990 and 69,990 rupees respectively. Clubhouse co-founder and CEO Paul Davidson has said that the audio chat app could be launched on Android devices in a couple of months. The app has become a rage in the past few months and currently is only available on iOS. The announcement comes after many Android users claim to be hit by BlackRock malware after downloading malicious Clubhouse apps from Google Play. YouTube is testing a feature that will automatically detect products in some videos. The feature will also show a list of related videos. YouTube is currently testing the feature with a small group of users in the United States. Facebook is testing a new green screen option for Facebook Stories. The new tool will allow users to add a video or still image as a background for their videos. It's the same green screen effect available on Instagram Stories.